Good morning everyone, day 3 at Mussoorie.
And as usual, Jayesh is late.
पहली बार लेट हुआ हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट बना रहे हैं.
And as usual, the car has been waiting for 1 hour because of Jayesh.
Because of Jayesh Mistry.
ये झूठ है. पार्थ बोल ये झूठ है.
तू झूठ है. कोई आने वाला है तो हम जाने वाले हैं. कोई आने वाला है हम जाने वाले हैं.
Oh, that's the stream down there. See there.
Yes.
तो ये है ट्रैक यहाँ से.
कहाँ से?
यहाँ से.
So we are all here to have breakfast between the mountains. That's something we've never done. But that's something I think we'll only get it in Mussoorie. So let's see. Really excited. We saw the pictures and all. Looks amazing.
So it's a 15-minute trek down. Bro, ये basically this is a cardio so that you burn and then eat.
And then eat and again burn.
Private chopper landing. Whenever I come down here for breakfast.
So यहाँ पे क्या land होता है?
Private chopper.
इतना छोटा?
मेरे लिए काफी अकेले सिंगल
One
सोलो.
seater.
बहुत lame होते जा रहा तो.
Okay, well, so that's our table there. No, table is there.
Yeah.
Nice.
So the water below is too cold.
It's very cold. It's ice water.
नम हो गए बुरी तरह से.
मेरे पास तो पोर्ट्रेट लेंस है.
एरिका तुम्हारा पोर्ट्रेट लेंस कौन सा है?
ये प्रोफेशनल कैमरा है. ओके.
But banana.
ओ यहाँ है.
ये
हरीश. यस. हरीश आप शेफ हो या एक्टर हो? तो ये आपका मतलब डेली का प्रोसेस होता है या
जब गेस्ट का
Requirement
जी
होती
जी जी जैसे रहता है
तो ऐसे हफ्ते में ऐसे एक दो बार
हाँ एक दो बार
और लंच होता है?
लंच या ब्रेकफास्ट.
हाँ मुझे किसी ने बताया कि ठंड के उसमें आप ये लंच रखते हो मतलब
हाँ,
दिसंबर के महीने में.
हाँ लंच रखते हैं. ब्रेकफास्ट में बहुत ठंडा रहता है तो मॉर्निंग में.
वाओ.
अभी like it's so cold.
Each year.
एरिका बहन थक गई.
Yes.
Hotel now. Going back to Mussoorie. And then going Mussoorie right now.
Go to the city.
Yes. Explore the city. Go back to the hotel. Rest, pack and leave for Bombay. So हम लोग यहाँ के टॉप पॉइंट पे आए. नेम इज लाल टिब्बा. एरिका रूम में सोई है. पार्थ हमारे साथ है.
हाँ वो. Look at this.
Dude, see that mountain covered with ice? Himalayan range, yeah. I'm seeing that for the first time.
Yes.
How do you like
Seen
the
this for the first time?
place? Yeah,
You need to travel more with me.
we are. This is the start.
This is cool.
This place name is Lal Tibba.
Yeah, this place name is Lal Tibba, considered as the tip of the point of
Mussoorie.
Mussoorie,
Yeah,
where you can see the
whole view. Yeah, we'll be putting the whole view.
toppest layer, toppest point.
And I think the trip ends very nicely.
Yes, the trip ends very nicely, and we enjoyed. And Mussoorie has been one of the most memorable hill stations.
I
I would
swear.
say.
I swear.
The weather over there, the weather over here.
Morning stream.
Also the morning stream, the breakfast, and the hospitality over here by the people from Marriott has been great. And
I swear.
this journey wouldn't have been possible without EJF.
Erika
Fernandes.
All thanks to her.
Thanks to her. And yes, we enjoyed. We had a gala time, and it was her birthday. And she also said that it was her best birthday. So yeah, what more would you ask for?
See the view.